Hi everyone, this is Cyrus from AML and my concept video topic is how can we include audio or video in web page. Let us see brief about this, how to include audio or video in web page. HTML allows us to create standard-based video and audio player that don't require the use of any plugin. Adding video and audio to a web page is almost as easy as adding an image or formatting some text. There are two different ways to include video elements. We will be discuss both of them. First, video element. The video, this is the tag. Video is the tag element allow us to embed video files into an HTML very similarly to the way image are embedded. Attributes we can include are by using these video attribute we can easily include the video in the HTML. What are the attributes that we have to use? SRC and F. What is SRC? This attribute stands for the source, which is very similar to the SRC attribute used in the image element. We will add the link to a video file in the SRC attribute. By using this SRC attribute, we will add the link of the video so that the video will be played in the HTML page. Without including the video, we are just giving here the link of the video. For that purpose, SRC is used. What is that? This is going to be video or MP3 because MP4 is the format of the video we are using. We can also use different videos formats like OGG or WebM when the value of type attribute will change to video, OGG or video respectively. Note some common video formats are WebM, OGG, MP4. Here you can see by using video in web page, you can display like this. We now have this video on our page, but there is a problem. This video isn't play automatically and there are also no control to start the video. We will have to add control manually by using the control attribute to our video. Here in the previous slide, here there is no playing the video. Here there is no controls to play the video and it is not playing automatically when it is opening. So we have to manually add the controls to this web page by using some attributes. This attribute doesn't take any value because it's a Boolean attribute. That means it can either be true or false. Now by having the control attributes in our video element, it means that it is true and it will display the playback controls. If we have these control attributes in our HTML, so the video will be played. Here you can see, here we have the video plus control. That means if whenever we are clicking on this, whenever we click on this, it will play the video. Now if we remove the control, we could also make the video autoplay by using the autoplay attribute. This is also a Boolean attribute. Not only by using the control, by removing the controls also, we can also play the video autoplay. That is autoplay. Whenever we open the web page, it will play automatically by adding the attribute is autoplay. Video element plus autoplay attribute. Here there is no controls. Here only we have the video element and autoplay attributes. So it is play. Whenever we open the web, it will play automatically. Now as we have seen, the video is playing by itself and there is no control. So we didn't actually start the video, but we also can't stop the video. Here we are not stopping, it is playing automatically. But whenever we want to stop this autoplay, so we can use some attribute. We can also have controls and autoplay together. By here we can also include the controls and autoplay. Whenever we want to stop this video, by using the control, we can stop this autoplay. Whenever we want, we can play this video. by using the controls. Here means here we have the three elements, that is video, autoplay, and the control attributes. So we can manually stop and it will automatically play whenever we open the web page. You can provide the different attributes to the video element depending on the requirement. I mentioned above there are the two different ways to add the elements. Let's try that together. Source element. Earlier we used a video element with self-closing tag, but here we will close the video element so we can have an opening and closing tag. Now, here if we see some, here we have the an example. Let us see. We will also remove the type and source attribute from the video element and paste it into another element. Here you will see one example video. This is a tag and source src equal to, this is the link of this video, this is the link, and this is the format, that is mp4, type equal to video or mp4. Here closing tag, here video tag is opening tag and here is the closing tag. In between this we will give the link by using the attribute called src, that is source, and we have also given the type of the video. We just move the attributes over the source element. Now, why would we want to do that? Well, in most cases, with the video, will have multiple sources because we need to provide different file types depending on which browser is viewing our video, because different browsers support different file types. Here, if you see, these are the formats of the videos, and these are the some of the browsers which will support this format as given. Internet Explorer support the MP4 and just it supports the MP4. It won't support the WebM and OGG. Chrome supports the three of the formats of video. Firefox supports the all these three formats of video, and Safari supports only the MP4, and Opera supports the three formats of the videos. The video will look exactly the same, but now we have broader browser support. Now, if you want to add attributes like control, autoplay, loop, etc., we will add it to the video element. Here, video with broader browser support and other attributes. Audio element. Till now we have discussed the how video, what are the attributes that we are using, adding, including in the web page, in the video, and how to add, and we have seen the examples and how the controls autoplay will includes in the web HTML code. By now we have to discuss the audio element. The audio, this is the tag, audio is the tag. Element is a very similar to the video element. However, the only major difference is that there are no visuals. Here we have no visuals, we can only hear the voice. We can use the audio element to play an audio file on our web page, such as an MP3 file. Now, just like the video tag, there are two different ways to do this. Using a single tag representing the entire element, opening and closing tag with a child element in between. Here, in the video tag, we have the two types. Similarly, here also we have the two types. Using a single tag representing the entire element, opening and closing tag. Here the audio, this is the opening tag, and if we also include the closing tag with the child elements in between them, that is child element. If we have src, that is link or type, so that are the child elements. These are the two ways to include the audio element in the HTML. Now we will have an opening and closing audio tag, and then we'll add the source element in between. The folder structures might look like this: project, audio, sample 3, sample OGG, CSS, main, that CSS, normalize that CSS, index.html. There is no control attributes given to the audio elements in the example above. So its audio element won't show up in the HTML document. Now you can see that there are only a few key differences here. The value and type Attributes is changed from video or MP4 to audio or MP3. In the SRC attribute, we have changed from a video file into MP4 extension to an audio file with MP3 extension. Now, just like the video element, we won't actually be able to stop or start the audio without any control. So we will be adding a control attribute to the audio element. Here you can see that without using any controls, we are playing the video here. You can also add other attributes in the audio element like a autoplay or loop. Thank you. This is the brief introduction about the including how to add the video and audio in the HTML page.